Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show us some cool libraries, simple and cool library that will really help you boost your development process. Uh, it has not been easy, even as a startup. I know it has not been easy in the development industry, but when you concentrate and make things happen, I believe you will scale through. Don't learn much. Don't fix yourself in learning and learning and learning. Make sure you build project. That's my humble advice to you. If you really want to grow, build things. Build things from your passion. The best thing that you love so much. If you like drawing, try to build things that has to do with drawing. If you like act, build online on act. If you on medical, you like medical stuff, build on medicals. If you like music, you can start with musical app. If you like videos, video games, you can build according to your passion so that you will boost your development process, or you can boost your learning and learn fast than you going to online and watching different tutorials. It will not really help you. Okay, without wasting much of our time, before I continue, I will tell you, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and subscribe. And then if you have any project that you would like us to venture into, I would like you to put it down on the comment section. Let us go through the project and know how to kick it off. The next project, the next video I'm gonna make, let it be uh, with a project that someone commented on, so we start it up and then do it together. The best way to learn is by doing projects. When you do, you solve real life problems than you thinking problems in your head without knowing the solution. So let's go through the libraries I'm talking about. I have two cool libraries I'm going to show us. uh, Number one is this React Beats. We have the React Beats. It's a very cool animation library that have so many cool animations. For example, is this one that is showing on my screen. This is Aurora animation. You can see how everything is working very smoothly. You can integrate this into your website. You can change the props. Here are the props. You can the good thing is that you can preview it. You can watch the code. This is the code. You can put the code in your website like this, or you can copy the full snippet. This is the full snippet code. You can copy it into your website, and then, or you can even use the CLI. Here is the CLI. You can go through it. You can install it with the CLI. You can put the code in your website by copying and pasting. Unlike ShadCN, it will be easier for you to work with. So there are several animations here that one can check out. You can check it out and then know the one that is okay for you, so you can integrate it in your website and then go for things that matters. Here is this cool animation, cool text animation. This is blur text. This is circular text. This is shiny button. These are very cool. There are so many of them. Look at this one. Look at this animation. It's very nice. It's very cool. There are so many of these animations that are here that you can go through and then use it in your website. Okay, the second one is ShadCN form. This is the cool one that I love so much. I have been using it recently on my projects. Here I am on the playground, but let me clean off and show you what I mean. Here is the components. You can view this component. This is a drop down country drop down menu that has so many countries. You can go through it and copy the code very easy. You can preview it. This is the code, very easy. You can put it in your website. Here is the drop down. And the sweet thing is that the validation is working. Look at it. The validation is working. If you don't put anything is required, the validation is really working. They are using Tailwind CSS, ShadCN, and then React hook form, they are using it to integrate in this library, so they make things easier for you. You don't need to start writing code for forms and all those ones. Just put what you need here. For example, is this playground. If you go through this playground, you see, okay, let's make things happen here. Now let's assume I want to build my form. Here is the input. I choose the input. Now the input is here. Let's say this is the username, and then I can edit this my input here. Here I can add the placeholder to be username. This is a username. I can save this. It's username now, and then I can add more. I can add the plus. I can choose from here another input. It is side by side. I can choose username like this, or you can you can put like this. You can drag and drop. You can do whatever you wish to do. Everything will be visible in your web page. Very nice and very okay. Here, let me show you what I mean. This is input. Now here you can edit, change here to be username. You can save. You can choose another input. You can edit here. You can change this one to be your email. This can be email. The label can be, they make things very easy. Email, make things very nice. You can change the input type to be email, and then you can simply save. Now you have your username, you have your email with their validations. Everything is perfectly working. You can also choose to put password. For example, I can add my password. Now I have a password input. I have a password input here. This is my password. You understand? Everything is working. Look at the validation is also working. I can decide to put this phone input. This phone number is very cool because look at the country selector. Everything is very nice and showing and visible. You can choose the country you want, then you can add the country information here. Everything is very nice, and the validation is working. The validation is actually working. The validation is actually working. That's the sweet thing about this library. Everything is perfectly working. The validation is working. Everything is working perfectly. You can choose date. This is checkbox, date picker. As much as you can, as you needed in your form, you can build it, and then this is the date, and then you can choose your date. Everything is working perfectly. You understand? Now you have the JSON format of the whole thing. These are the JSON, and this is the main code. You can copy this code to your website, and then you don't need to start working with this input. Everything is built for you. You visualize it, you build it, and everything is working perfectly. And there is sonar, and the toast is here. In case if everything is successful, the toast will work for you. You can copy and put it in your website. Without wasting much of our time, I'll say you like and subscribe and wait for the next video.